Hi, I'm Talise and I'm here to tell you about Texas Wholesale Natural Beauty Supplies. Make sure you watch the full video because the information I'm going to share with you can help you start your own natural hair care brand. To connect with us, please visit our website, texaswholesalenaturalbeautysupplies.com, or email us at texaswnbs@gmail.com, and we'll respond to you within 24 hours. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start with a little bit of background on Texas Wholesale Natural Beauty Supplies. We started about 5 years ago selling handmade products to natural hair professionals. We provided a natural hair and scalp care system which allowed them to take care of their clients' scalps and their everyday styling needs. Our products helped their hair grow, so they fell in love with our products, which are premium grade and they're made fresh and specifically for textured hair. It is crucial to us that our products are as natural as possible, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalates, silicones, petroleum, and chemical fillers. Because of this, their clients absolutely loved our products and they were seeing amazing results, including thicker, fuller, and longer hair, less breakage, and more manageability. They also experienced healing scalp issues like dryness, itching, flaking, dandruff, eczema, fungal and bacterial infections, and even receding hairlines were filling in. But the natural hair professionals that we were working with were still struggling during slow times because they were missing a vital component to growing their business: their own branded beauty products. Some professionals were interested, but many were not because they were restricted by big beauty buyers and corporate-owned salons, which prohibited them from carrying any other products on their salon shelves or using those products in corporate-owned salons. There is very little freedom of choice for beauty professionals from the time that they are in beauty school to when it's time to leave and work in a salon. Those that eventually decided to go it on their own came to us for help with formulating and branding their own private label. And that's how our fast-track private label program began 5 years ago. Now it's time to talk about why we do what we do. The black hair industry is enormous and we spend the most money and time on hair and beauty products. According to the United States Census Bureau, there are over 2 million African American owned businesses in this country, and they contribute a large amount to the U.S. economy. But African Americans make up 13% of the U.S. population while only owning 7% of the businesses. And nearly 1.9 million of those 2 million businesses do not have paid employees. If they were able to hire even 1 to 2 employees, experts say there would be a huge solution for black unemployment. Black hair and barbershops are inclusive and they provide opportunities and build stronger communities. While big businesses want the black dollars, they still don't respect their black customers. And they use governmental and institutional restrictions on wearing natural hair, on licensing, and on salons performing natural hair services, even though no chemical services are being used. They make it very expensive and difficult for beauty students who have to learn in a foreign environment with hair that is different from their own while pushing chemicals that are unhealthy, especially for black women. Because of this unfriendly environment, many talented stylists and beauticians are driven underground, saddled with debt, and forced to quit. We at Texas Wholesale Natural Beauty Supplies hope to help black beauty resurface and reestablish itself in the lives and communities of black-owned businesses, salons, and stylists, and re-enter the light of creativity to build responsible, strong businesses with healthy hair products. We are aiming at micro-owned small businesses and business-minded individuals who are interested in entering the beauty industry, but need guidance, flexible, affordable pricing, low minimum order quantities, and premium products, services, and resources, such as label graphic design, printing, bottling, semi-custom formulation, website design, logos, etc. All of which we provide either through our wholesale bulk or our fast-track private label programs. We also do drop shipping for larger orders, and we have formulas and products for women and children, and we're adding men's care and skincare soon. We are a small, customer-friendly, black women-owned and operated business in the Dallas, Texas area, and the best way to reach us is via email at texaswnbs@gmail.com, and we will reply back within 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us for more information.